Hello, this is Elaine from Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Prized Peony bundle, and in particular the Peony Dies. So the Peony Dies have puzzled a lot of people on how to put them together. So I'm going to take the mystery out of these dies and show you how easy it is to put these dies together. So I'm just going to move this card over to this side as a reference and move these out of the way. So here's the bundle, the stamp set. It's got images that can be cut out by dies as well as sentiments. And then it's got extra dies. It's got this edgelet die right here, really pretty. But then it has these 4 dies as well. So I've cut them out in Whisper White, and I want you to notice something. All the bottoms have this little wave, this little curve. Curve, 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 curve. This is what we are going to line up on the bottom of all of them when we're tucking them into each other. That makes putting together this peony super easy. All right? So I'm just going to put these dies away and we will start putting it together after we color it. So we're going to give this some color. That's why I cut it out in white. We're going to use some Puddle Pink and a sponge dauber. And we're just going to do some sponge daubing all around the edges of this one. We're going to see all the edges of this one. And around the opening as well, because we're going to see the edges of the opening too. So we're going to do this side, and then we're going to stick our fingers here. We're going to try to rub this side too. All right, and then for this one, we're just going to do some of the side and then the top. We don't need to do the bottom because it's going to be hidden. We won't see it. And then we're going to do the opening as best we can. Maybe we need like mini sponge daubers. And then this one is going to be tucked in behind, so we don't need to do that one. Just the front one. And then same thing with this one. Just a little bit of the side. I mainly want the top. And we want this opening right here. Tricky. And then this last piece, the top, and then try to get a finger in there to get this top piece right here. All right, so now we're going to use liquid glue. It gives us a little bit of time to place these, and we're just going to put a tiny, tiny bit on the bottom here because we don't have that much of an edge at the bottom. And we're going to line up the waves. You see how they line up there? So we're going to line this up. At the bottom here. So if I flip it over, you'll see that those are lined up. Lined up here too. See? And then we'll open this next one. Oops, we need adhesive. Gotta put adhesive at the bottom. Okay, put some glue on there. And we'll stick this in. And we'll line this again. Right there. We'll line the wave. Line the wave. And then there, it's looking like a peony, isn't it? Pretty. Okay, we'll put some more adhesive on. This one we can kind of do a little bit higher. And we'll open this up. This one's a little bit tighter squeeze, so we gotta kind of tuck it in there more. And we'll align this one with all the others. And there we go. Pretty. And then the last step is there's this little, I think this is the stamen, and we'll put a little bit of adhesive down here. And we'll place this inside the last slit right there. So easy. Wasn't that easier than you thought it was going to be? It is totally easy. You could make 100 of these. I don't know if you want to make 100, but they are super easy to make. And now the leaves are just layered. And you could do a different color, like you could do darker layer on top and a lighter on the bottom, or vice versa. But I chose to just do the same. It's fine. But these are just basically layering on top of each other. It's pretty simple. So this goes here. And then we'll add these to the flower. This will be the last step. And then we'll put the card together. Oh, I put the glue on the wrong side on this one. So I'm just gonna try to wipe it off with a, ooh, the glue is sticky. It should be sticky. I'm gonna wipe it off with a BB wipe and just kind of let it dry, and then I'll try again. There's usually always a fix. Right. So glue that down. And then we'll try to fix this one. Feels pretty good. Okay. All right, so we've got our elements ready. So now we're just going to put our card together. So I'm gonna go ahead and stamp this first. I'm gonna stamp it in basic gray. Let's see here. Do your friendship refreshes the soul. Mostly straight, but not quite. But it will have to do. I don't like putting the stickers on them because they're too sticky, but I think for some of the sentiment ones, I think I'm gonna start doing that. So I'm not doing a good job of getting them straight. And I think if I put the stickers on, that would help me. So I'm just gonna put this on flat. And then this is the Peony Garden paper. So pretty. So the Peony Garden paper comes in 3 colors: petal pink, gray granite, and basic gray. I love this one, the chevrons. Love that one. They're all really pretty. This one looks like curved marble. Super pretty. Then I'm gonna put dimensionals on this piece right here. And I'm gonna put dimensionals on the flower. And then we can just assemble the card. So we'll just place this right in the middle. I used the stitched rectangle dies for these two. And I'll show you the card that I actually got these from. These are remnants from another card. So it's kind of funny. But I wanted to use them. So I designed this card to be able to use them. All right, so I'm going to put this up here, and then I'm just going to go ahead and use my Stampin' Seal to put some adhesive on the back of these leaves. So we'll put this large leaf over here, and this large leaf over here. And then we'll put the small leaf over here. All right, so I'm offering a class, and it consists of these two cards and these two cards and these two cards. So if you purchase this Prized Peony bundle, you'll receive this card kit for free. Just go to my website, elainescreations.net, and use this August hostess code, and I will send you this card kit for free. If you already have the bundle or you want a different bundle, you can place a $50 order using this hostess code, and just send me an email and let me know that you would like this card kit, and I will send it to you for free as well. I'm also offering my bonus coupons to you if you place a $50 order. So the coupons, though, expire August 31st. So make sure to get in your order right away so I can send you that coupon and you can use it right away. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I just want to show you really quickly some other samples of this bundle. This is a card that I designed and created for my downline meeting. This is the card that I got all the extra stitched rectangles from. It's an accordion, double accordion card. So when you open it up, there's two accordions in there, so you see all the stitched rectangle openings. So that's where I got all those extra pieces from. So this is a really fun card. I also have a video on this card. Just look for accordion card and you'll find it. My ribbon got twisted, so I'll have to untwist my ribbon. There we go. This is a card I got from the swap. Really pretty, uses that vellum doily again. This is another card from a swap. This is a card I did for one of my free card classes. This is a card that I cased from another demo. I love how she used the vellum to soften up the DSP. This is a card that I created for a swap using the Dainty Diamonds embossing folder to used it on vellum. And this is a card that I am going to offer on this Thursday, August 27th at 10 a.m. Pacific time. We're gonna learn some watercoloring, some easy watercoloring on watercolor paper. It's on my Facebook page, facebook.com/elainescreations. I would love for you to join us, so check it out. Check out my Facebook page. It has the supplies that you'll need, as well as the Zoom link. So once again, thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time for my next video. Bye.